And the funny, the true psycho mom, psycho super mom, gives us her take on motherhood later.
But first, Nick has something very special for us.
If you don't have plans to be in Hollywood, your road to Oscar can start right here on this red carpet. This is Scott Miller. He's going to tell us how you can win that, coming up after the break.
Well, Nick Smith is back with more about Oscar night in San Francisco, including how you can win a brand new Mercedes. Nick, what's the deal?
Spencer, all of that is great information to have. The guy who can tell us how everyone at home can still have an opportunity to win this brand new Mercedes is Scott Miller. Scott, how are you?
I'm well, thanks. Thanks for having us.
Scott, we're happy to be here. Academy of Friends is a nonprofit organization that does great work. What do you do?
We raise money for Bay Area HIV/AIDS organizations. So each year, this year, we're giving away about $500,000 to 12 Bay Area HIV/AIDS organizations. And over the years, we've given money away to probably about 70 organizations.
And this party is a big deal.
It is a big deal. It's one of the largest Oscar parties outside of Los Angeles. We're going to have about 2,500 people this Sunday at Fort Mason. Simulcast
How many
live.
people?
2,500 people.
That's a lot of people.
Yes.
And Scott, that's when you will announce who the winner is of this car behind us. Tell us a little bit about it.
That's correct. Well, we'll be drawing this car this Sunday at the event. We are only selling 3,000 chances for this. Mercedes-Benz graciously donates this car to us. This is our 6th year of a relationship with Mercedes, and we're going to be drawing this at around 8 o'clock right after the Oscar telecast.
Do you need to be there to win?
You do not need to be there to win. We've had people that have been outside the area that have won before, but if you're there, it's great. But if you're not, we still need your support.
Take a look at this car again, because you can get information about how you can enter the raffle one more time. But I also want to tell you about nominees for best free things to do this weekend. This weekend, Friday and Saturday in San Francisco, junk mail from debris to design at the Academy of Art. Saturday and Sunday in the North Bay, Oxbow Public Market. Come celebrate official grand opening of the market at a weekend filled with specials, activities, and free stuff. Saturday night in San Francisco at Lowell High, the Association of Instructors of Music present their local showcase. And Sunday morning in the South Bay, Hugs and Kisses story time at Kepler's Books. Bring your kids, spread the love. Take one more look at that Mercedes, because all of our viewers still have a fair chance to be the lucky winner. Right, Scott?
That's correct. We're going to be drawing this Sunday, and you can still purchase your tickets online at www.academyoffriends.org for the raffle, and you can fax it back in. The raffle tickets are look something like this, and we'll be drawing that on Sunday night. You can also buy tickets for the gala.
With props.
You can actually buy tickets for the gala as well online for $250 each at academyoffriends.org.
And Scott, for those who will not make it there this weekend, can they still learn more about Academy of Friends?
Absolutely, they can. You can visit our website. Everything's on there.
Scott, thank you so much.
Great.
Spencer, Janelle, one last piece of business I want to take care of before we go, because you know none of us do this alone. Every day I work with an absolutely amazing guy named Dave Corona. Today is his birthday, and I am going to... He had no idea this was coming. Dave, this is the guy behind the camera, Mom. My mother's watching right now. She's like, Nick, who do you work with every day? That's Dave Corona. So happy birthday to you, Dave. From all of us at View from the Bay, this is a hug for you. Mwah, today. Bye-bye, you guys.
That's so cute.
That's great.
Happy birthday, Dave.
Dave is a great guy, too. Happy birthday,
photographer.
Dave. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
That's terrific.
Homemade dinners. Is it possible without a lot of fuss? A fast and fabulous solution next.